Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Steel rubber products, quality crafted rubber parts and weather stripping. Fast coolers for manual transmissions. BD Diesel, the world leader in diesel performance. And by Personal Positioning Technologies. We support your workforce.
Well, we're hanging out here under this Tesla, and I looked up front. There's no internal combustion engine in this thing, Pasha. It's electric, of course. If I have an electric vehicle, why do I still need Tribotex?
There's still a lot of moving parts. Electric cars have transmission, and transmission is under extreme duress because electric motor delivers maximum torque at 0 RPM. So in transmission, you have shock and loads that is as close as space technologies.
And this is similar to space technology. NASA's got a vehicle that you're putting Tribotex in as well, right?
Yeah, we was recently featured in Forbes magazine, and NASA gave us 2020 spin-off award. When you launch space vehicle, the loads are about the same as in electric cars. Maximum shocks, vibrations, hits, like in tanks. And after that, vehicle's supposed to last forever. That's what we want to deliver for electric cars too. You apply Tribotex straight in the oil fill port, and then you let the car run normally. And over time, it builds this porous coating, particle by particle, that lasts longer than anything else you would ever seen.
And how long does it last? How often do we need to put it in here?
It's still about 40,000 miles, which we measure in motor hours.
The technology is real. You can check them out in Forbes magazine. You can also look at NASA's spin-off page to see what they think of this stuff. They think it's pretty cool, and so do I. Tribotex.com, the place to go.
Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
If you love off-roading, you need the Magic Creeper. First, let's talk about your tow vehicle. You're going to check all the fluids before you hit the road. You need to do that because towing is a lot of work on a vehicle, especially if you're going through mountainous terrain. When you check the fluids, you can use the Magic Creeper as a fender guard. It'll keep your clothes clean. It'll also keep your paint from getting scratched when you do that. Of course, when you're going around the vehicle, checking tire pressures, a must before any road trip, especially when you're towing. Use the Magic Creeper as a kneeling pad. Your knees will thank you. And of course, when you're on the road, break down by the side of the road, the Magic Creeper is going to be your hero because you can get it down on the ground. It's going to get muddy. You will not get muddy. You can glide over rocks. You can glide over tree roots, tools, whatever it is on the ground. You won't even notice it. The Magic Creeper glides right over. There's no way you can carry a traditional creeper with you. You're not going to have room, and it's not going to roll over any of those surfaces. Once you get out to the trail, of course, a lot of times you want to lower your air pressure. Hey, Magic Creeper, why not? Save your knees. Drop it. Use it as a kneeling pad. You can check your air pressure, any adjustments you need to make around the vehicle, any tweaks, you can, of course, go underneath and do that as well. And once you get out on the trail, we all know you get stuff stuck underneath, twigs and sticks and all kinds of stuff up under there. Well, guess what? You don't have to get filthy. If it's muddy, you don't have to worry about that. The Magic Creeper gets dirty and you don't. You just take it, whip it underneath like that, and super easy. Now, there's a lot of clearance here, which is a good thing, but the Magic Creeper requires 0 ground clearance. So if you had wheels or something like that, A, you wouldn't be able to roll on the terrain, and B, there wouldn't be room for you underneath the vehicle anyway. So you can make the fixes you need to do. And oh, by the way, there's no way you're going to take a rolling creeper with you out on the trail. So the Magic Creeper is perfect. You make all the tweaks you need to make. You get out, the Magic Creeper gets dirty. You do not. You're ready to enjoy the rest of your day and get back on the trail. There is only one authentic Magic Creeper, and there's only one place to find it. That's at magiccreeper.com. Makes a great gift too, by the way. Well, we are out of time here at Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, but of course, always more to do before we go home. Don't worry, we do Motorhead Garage every week at the same time, so be sure to catch us next time. In the meantime, if you've got something to tell us, or if you want to see your product featured on Motorhead Garage, email Jeff at masterstv.com. We'll get you here in the studios. From our entire crew here at Motorhead Garage, we will see you next time. So long.